Today, I'll show you how to use the ChatGPT Canvas feature. First, keep in mind what Canvas is for. OpenAI describes Canvas as a separate workspace inside ChatGPT for writing, editing, revising, and coding projects that need more structure than a normal chat. It's currently available on web, Windows, and macOS, with mobile support listed as coming soon. To open it, start a prompt that involves drafting, rewriting, or building something longer, and ChatGPT may open Canvas automatically. You can also ask directly by typing something like, "Open this in Canvas," or use Canvas to help me edit this document. OpenAI's help article says ChatGPT can decide when Canvas is helpful, but you can also trigger it yourself. Once Canvas opens, use it like a working area beside the chat. Paste text, write a draft, or add code, then ask ChatGPT to improve sections, rewrite wording, fix bugs, or expand ideas. OpenAI says Canvas supports inline suggestions, code editing, and file upload for collaborative work. You can keep refining the content step by step until the result looks right. That makes Canvas especially useful for articles, emails, scripts, coding tasks, and other projects that need multiple revisions. And that's how to use the ChatGPT Canvas feature. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.